Here's how to make a fairy Christmas fade-in effect. Step 1. Record a video of the background and yourself. Clip 1 should be a video of the empty background, and clip 2 is a video of yourself in this background. Step 2. Add fade-in and fairy material in PIP. Import the background video into InShot. Then in PIP, import the video of yourself, press autofill to fit the screen, and add a fade-in animation. Select the swipe up option and adjust the duration to your liking. And while you're still in PIP, add the fairy material from the Materials Library. Blend the material into your video, and ta-da! You've just made an enchanting entrance into the room. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on your socials.